Hello, have a good day. I'm Mylene Epipanyo, 39 years old, 5'2" height. I'm single mother from Batu-Batu, President Rojas, North Cotabato. I have two children, 19 years old and 18 years old. I'm independent person. I want to apply in Hong Kong for my daughter's future. Sir and Ma'am, I worked before in Malaysia more than 14 years, 6 members of the family. My duties and responsibility to taking care of elderly, also cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, gardening. Sir, Ma'am, if you choose me, I do all my best to serve you. God bless to your family. Thank you.